What are you talking about, huh? What are you saying? What? Dad's getting you your food and your water now. Just be good. Just behave, all right? Shh. What? Excuse me. Sorry. I don't know. Asshole, that's what you... Who? Who? Yeah, come on. Just behave. Got kisses? You can kiss. I love you. I don't... Why are you so mad? What? I'm so crazy right now. Yeah. Don't talk like that. It's not funny. What? You kiss? Stop yelling and give me a kiss. What? Says stop yelling and give me a kiss. Stop it. It's 9:30 and you're yelling and screaming. Stop being so loud. Do you want to go back in your cage? When the fuck did you start doing drugs? Huh? What is wrong with you? Stop yelling at me. Stop yelling. No, stop yelling and behave, okay? Are you done? Fuck. Listen, he's gonna put the food in your cage and you're gonna be nice. Go ahead. You see what's in the bowl. You like it. So he's gonna put it in the cage.
There for you? Yeah.
Is that what you want?
Yeah.
That's what you want? Okay then. Hey, I wish you would just be nice sometimes and stop fucking yelling at people all the time, okay? What? All right. There, you see your food?
Come on. Come on, time. Let's go.
Bedtime.
Come on,
Love you.
Night time, honey.
Love you too. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Good night. I love you. I love you. Love you. Good night.
See your food? See what's there for you?